Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at investment markets. Really quite an interesting scenario developing now in these financial markets with another set of strong data coming out of the US, which really on the unemployment data, which really points to a Fed rate hike. But obviously you've got the current market volatility and sort of uncertainty in global equity markets and towards global growth. And that's just going to be a very interesting conundrum for the Fed to sort out later this month. You know, the US really is pushing along at quite a reasonable rate. You saw a little bit of an increase in the hourly earnings, and also a further average of 200,000 jobs created every month. Now that's really pretty staggering even for an economy of that size. So that really does put the Fed in a pretty sort of tricky situation there, with really looking to try and increase rates. They've been talking to the market and telling them that there is going to be a rate increase starting this year, but with the recent market volatility and uncertainty, just throwing a little bit of a spanner in the works. But certainly if they do hike, in September, the common perception is that it will be one hike, and then they'll just wait for a reasonable period of time. Might even be sort of end of first quarter of 2016 before they see any further move. Here in New Zealand, no surprise with the further lowering of interest rates this morning. The OCR now down to 275. And the statement that accompanied it, said that possibly there might be further easings if the economic data sort of supports it. Again, pretty tricky situation for the Reserve Bank, because you've got still quite a rising housing market in Auckland that really is sort of pushing on at quite a reasonable rate. Also as well, I think the Reserve Bank is going to want to see the impact of the recent rate reductions, but also as well, obviously the weakening dollar, and see how that's performed on exports. But also as well, throwing a further little spanner into the works there as well. The last couple of milk auctions have now been up. They're up around sort of 20-25% in the last couple of auctions. Now that does come against a backdrop that were with considerably lower prices, where they've been falling for the previous 8 auctions, down quite a reasonable amount. So again, a little bit of sort of light at the end of the tunnel, and possibly the New Zealand economy is not maybe in quite as bad a situation as first thought. Now, certainly with this uncertainty, and it's a good opportunity to get those portfolios reviewed, and also as well, just stick to your goals. If you're looking for a longer term view, markets are a little bit uncertain. If you bought good quality stocks and good quality investments, there's no reason to bail out just because they've gone down, a little bit. If you're looking for a 5 to 10 year horizon, if you bought, a good quality blue chip stock. But so if you do want that portfolio reviewed, call us on 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.